Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved, and today I just want to say thank you to all of you for your support, for your watch time, everything you've done to support the channel, your likes, your comments, your shares, and also subscribing in general. We've hit 1K and I want to say thank you to you all. This is basically an appreciation video. I'm saying thank you to the Almighty God for all that he has done, for the knowledge and everything he has given me to start this channel about 2.5 years ago, and today we are here after lots of work and hard work, dedication, time spent and everything. I also want to thank my family, especially my mother, for her support, for everything she has done for me during the start of the channel till date. I actually started the channel on her birthday 2 years ago. I also want to say thank you to my younger brother. He's the one that has been taking most of my videos for me since I started the channel till date. I'm saying thank you to my siblings, to everybody that has supported the channel, to my area, all my neighbors, and all the people that have supported me. I also want to say thank you to my church, Salem Presbyterian Church of Ghana, or let me say Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Salem Congregation at New Taifa, Mr. J. I want to thank our Reverend Sierra Manesapon for his support, for everything that he has done for me, for his constant work and every support he has given me, because if not for him, it wouldn't be a constant thing that I have videos posting for cake deliveries and cake orders from the church. I also want to thank Mr. Amenyoche. He is also one of the big pillars in this whole cake decorating and cake assembling and everything I do for the church. I also want to thank each and every member of the Salem Presbyterian Church of Ghana at Taifa, Mr. J. I want to thank the YPG for their support, their shares, their subscriptions, and all the members of the church who helped me from day one. In the beginning, I used to chase them after church just for them to subscribe, and they did. And today we are at 1K. I want to say thank you to them. And also to my YPG president, Janet, I say thank you for your support, your time, and every encouragement you've given me. Now, I want to thank everyone for all their love, their support, and everything. So I made this cake here with the 1K inscription just to demonstrate. And this is my lemon cake. We have cupcakes on the channel, which are lemon cupcakes. And I've made them into a cake form and also decorated with my stable whipped cream. So we are going to cut into it. So this is how it looks like. You can check out the video for the lemon cupcakes on the channel. And this is how the cake also looks like. So we are going to give it a taste. I'll cut just a portion. And then we'll taste it. I also want to thank one person who is Samuel Entry. He's the one that helped me with the editing of videos from day one. He just taught me how to do it with Microsoft Photos and the Microsoft Clip Champ, and then that was it. He just taught me with one day, and I've been doing the editing and everything on the channel by myself. So I want to say thank you to him, because if not for him, I wouldn't have known how to go about editing. So thank you to everyone. I love you all, and let's keep the momentum going. Let's hit 5K, 10K, and the others. And please watch, if you've subscribed, please watch the videos. We have everything on the channel, from cake decorating videos, pastry making videos, drink making videos, breakfast making videos, lunch, supper. Here in Ghana, our soups, our stews, everything is there. We have over 540 videos, so check them out, and let's all help the channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.